Hello, just hello. Not good morning, not welcome to this podcast. Just hello. Because that is how friends talk. And today I want to talk to you like a friend. You're listening to this, maybe in your car, maybe in your kitchen, maybe on your bed, tired from a long day. I do not know your name, but I know something about you. You're trying. In a country that makes trying hard. In a life that does not always make sense. With a language that sometimes feels like a locked door. English. That beautiful, strange, and difficult language that you are right now understanding. Do you hear that? You are understanding me right now. That is not small, that is everything. I want to tell you something nobody tells you. The people who speak English perfectly today were once exactly where you are lost, confused, saying the wrong word, pronouncing things badly, feeling embarrassed. Every single one of them. The difference between them and someone who never learned is not talent, is not intelligence. It is simply they did not stop. I know life in Iraq is not easy, and in Middle East in general. I know the electricity goes, I know the heat is unbearable. I know the pressure on your shoulders as a father, as a mother, as a young person trying to find their place. I know. But there is what I also know. You opened this podcast today, you pressed play, you're still listening. That means something is burning inside you. A want, a dream, a voice saying, I want more. Listen to that voice. It is the most honest thing about you. English is not just a language. In Iraq, right now, English is a key to a better job, a key to understanding the world, a key to speaking for yourself when the world is watching. And you are already holding that key. Every word you learn is a step. Every podcast you finish is a door. Every time you speak, even badly, even with mistakes, you're building something. Brick by brick, word by word, day by day. My friend, I have one thing to ask you today. Not 10 things, not a list, one thing. Tomorrow morning, before you check your phone, before the news, before the noise of the day, give yourself 10 minutes. 10 minutes of English. A podcast, a video, 5 new words, one sentence you say out loud. 10 minutes. That is how rivers start, not with floods, with drops. You know what makes me emotional? The mother in Basra learning English at midnight after her children sleep because she wants to help them with their future. The young man in Baghdad watching English videos on his phone with 5% battery because he believes in something better. The teacher in Mosul who went through everything and still stands in front of students and says, repeat after me. These people are not famous. Nobody made a film about them. But they are the bravest people I know. And if you're one of them, this is for you. You're not behind. You're not too old. You're not too tired. You're exactly where you need to be right now, listening, learning, trying. And that is more than most people ever do. So tomorrow, press play again. I will be here, and so will you. Thank you for listening. Share this with someone in Iraq or in the world who needs to hear it today. كان معكم دكتور وليد خالد.